Hello viewers, welcome back. Today I got here my Suron Ultra B, and I'm going to be installing the ACERBIS Full Wrap X Factory handguards. Let's get to it. Here's everything that comes in the box. We have our handguards, brackets and bolts, spacers for different sizes of bars, our instructions, and I'll include a link in the description below for a few of my favorite tools. The first thing I'm going to do is remove the stock brush guards. After you remove the stock handguards, you'll be left with this little space here on top of the bolt. You can just put a nut on and tighten it down, it'll be fine. But for me, I'm going to fill that gap with a piece of foam rubber. Now I'm going to take a razor blade and cut off the ends of my grips. I've cut the end of the grip off, but because these are lock-on grips, they have a solid plastic tube all the way through. So now I'm going to go to my grinder and cut the end of the tube off. Here's what the tube looks like with a nice clean cut. That's why I cut the rubber first. Now I can reinstall it onto the bike. Now we need to cut the end off the throttle tube. I prefer to do this while it's on the bike. I'm going to loosen up the bolts, slide the tube a little ways off the end of the bar, and retighten it down so it stays in place. Now I'm going to take my step drill bit and I'm going to drill in to the end of the tube. Try to remove any plastic that might be going into your bars. Now I'm going to take a sharp knife and I'm going to cut away the last little bit of plastic on the end of the tube. On the throttle tube side, you want to make sure there's no ridge left on the inside of the tube, and then it slides all the way onto the bars. Now go ahead and tighten your throttle tube down. Make sure it spins free. Notice I've left about a 1/16 of an inch of the bar sticking out this side. This will prevent the throttle tube from being damaged if we crash and take an impact on this side. Now we're going to install the handguards. I'm going to slide in the large Allen head key bolt, slide on the bar end clamp, and the expansion nut. Slide it into the bar. Now we can install our clamp with the 5mm Allen head key bolts. Use the round head Allen head key bolt to attach the guard to the bracket. Align your handguards and start by tightening the 6mm Allen head key bolt on the end of the bars. Then tighten the bracket and the front bolt. Now let's throw the other side on. And there we go. The handguards are installed. There is no problems with the levers. Both sides work good, not affected. Plenty of room for the brake lines. Yep, I like that. With the guard installed, you can see the gap I've left here just a little bit better. You want to make sure your throttle tube is not touching the bark buster. If you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click up here to check out the next video. This has been my ACERBIS handguard install on my Suron Ultra B. Ride safe.